Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Altcoin Mentors YouTube channel. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to give you an update on our 2K 5X Bitcoin challenge. Our main goal here at Altcoin Mentors is to help as many people as possible achieve their goal of financial freedom. We believe trading cryptocurrencies is an opportunity of a lifetime. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of where Bitcoin might be going in the short near-term future, how I've been trading this pop range environment, and also money management and risk management. If you like our videos, please follow us on Twitter and on Telegram. We also have a model portfolio, so you can view our latest positions and progress. The link is down below. If you'd like to be notified of our latest videos, please hit the bell button. All right, so let's start. So this week was a pretty good week for me. I made 4 trades, 4 winners. My largest profit was 5%. So currently, after 5 weeks, I am up 67% trading Bitcoin. Most of my trades have been on a very short-term basis. And recently, most of my trades have all been shorts. So if you look at this thing, what I've done the last few trades is that I put in a comment that I've been taking advantage of this pop range and go back down environment. So let's talk about that. So I tweeted this out a long time ago for the last couple of months, how things have been in a very tight range. It's been popping, and then it just ranges. So I talked about that even starting in May, middle of May, talk about what's been going on. So I talked about how to stay disciplined and how to trade this environment. So even though we're in a neutral sideways environment, there's still ways to make money. So let's talk about my first trade here. So my first trade was on the 26th. Shorted around the 75.80. It went down, went all the way down to 7,200. 7,290 was a intermediate support line. So on this trade here, I'll show you my stop losses so you can kind of see, follow with me. So when I entered this trade here, my stop loss was right there. As it broke, as you can see, it never hit. It broke down, hit 72.90, came back up, formed a little bit of a wick right there, put my stop loss right there, 73.40. It stayed below, kind of touched it, but didn't really fill me. And then over here, it came and got me. So that was my first trade. That was a good one though. That was up 5% winner on that one. So let's go to the next one. So after that, I didn't trade for a while because it was the weekend. I wanted to spend a little bit more time with Charlie, who was visiting me here up in Montreal. So here, up in the trade here was the 29th. All right, so this was the 29th. So same thing, pop up, range. I took a short right here. I put my stop loss at the top of this wick over here. Stayed in a range for a very, very long time. Went down, hit 72.90 again. I put my stop loss over here, and then it kicked me out with a smaller profit. Once again, pop back up, range, took another short, put my stop loss right up at the top, stayed in a range, pop back down, and here was a smaller profit. And then my last trade over here, same thing, pop back up, stop loss up at the top, went down, put my stop loss over here, got me out. Once again, pop back up. I'm currently in a trade over here. I shorted it. Same type of scenario. Put my stop loss at the top. Major resistance up below, going down, and maybe I'll make a little bit of money here. So that's the environment that we're in. So let's talk about it on a, let's zoom out so you can see what is going on here. So if you zoom out, that's what you see. We've been in a sideways market between 7,700 and the lows over here, but the majority though have been in this box. All right, if you look at the trading over here, the majority of the trades have been in this box. So while it's in this environment, how can you make money? How can you take advantage of this, even this small environment of $400 range? So the idea is that you have to be able to take profits, right? Even if it's only like 1%, 2%, 0.5%, pick a side, whether it's going to go up or down, because that's what it's been doing. So for me, the trend has been down, so I've been taking the short side. But as I said in my last week's video, you could also take the upside. Because what it does is every time it goes up, I take a short, and it goes sideways. For a while, it goes back up. And as I said last week, while I'm taking profit, you can actually go higher because you can expect to pop up. It goes sideways, you get out. It goes sideways, I get in, it goes down, I take my profit, and then you can get ready to go back into the upside. That's all it's been doing. So if you look at this market over the last week and a half, you see it. All it does is you see one big candle up or down, goes in a sideways range, and then goes back up. So here, that's what it's been doing. It's been doing a higher high, higher low here, but it's not really that higher high, higher low. So you know what I'm talking about? Because if you zoom out, right, you'll see that until recently, we haven't really had a higher high, right? So is this a wave here? So this is the first low over here, and this is the first high. So we have a higher low right here, and we have a higher high, but we have to wait for the second higher low and the second higher high to kind of confirm it. So if it breaks 7,700 to the upside, they can go back up to 8,000, 8,400, back up to the 200 daily EMA at 8,600, and then 9,400 up to the top. But until it breaks 7,700, we still might be in a range. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our videos, please share it with your friends and other crypto traders. You can also follow us on Twitter and on Telegram. If you have any questions, please ask away in the comments section below. We do a very good job of answering all of our questions and comments right away. Thank you again for watching, and see you in our next video.